Counsel, 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 counsel. Let us see the meaning and the difference between these two words. You can observe there is a spelling difference, C-I-L-S-E-L, and the pronunciation is more or less common. And counsel can be used as a noun and an adjective, whereas counsel can be used as a noun and a verb. And let us see the meaning of counsel. It is a group elected or appointed as an advisory or legislative body. In a simple words, it is usually an administrative body. There are other words which give the same meaning as counsel. They are advisory group, board of directors, committee, assembly, panel, trustees, delegates, ministry, government, parliament, senate, congress. All these words give the same meaning as counsel. Let us see the meaning of counsel. It has two meanings. If it is used as a noun, it means a piece of advice. It's a noun, A-D-V-I-C-E. Whereas when it is used as a verb, it is to give or take advice. So spelling is A-D-V-I-S-E, C-E-S-E, a slight difference. When it is a noun, it is A-D-V-I-C-E. When it is a verb, A-D-V-I-S-E. And there are other words which give the same meaning as counsel. They are advice, guidance, direction, instruction, information, enlightenment, recommendations, suggestions, hints, tips, guidelines, ideas, opinions, views, facts, warning, caution. So all these words give the same meaning as counsel. Let us see the usage of counsel in a sentence. The United Nations Security Council. So United Nations Security Council, it's a group of members. So council here is a noun. Another one, an official human rights council. So human rights council, it's a group of members again. Committee, board of directors. So it's also a noun. Whereas when council is used as an adjective, it means council houses or flats owned by the local council, local authority, and there are other people who pay rent and live in those houses. So when that is the case, council can be used as an adjective. For example, there is a shortage of council housing. So council housing. So council is used as an adjective. Now let us see how counsel can be used in sentences. First one, the defense counsel warned that the judge should stop the trial. So here counsel is used as a noun. Second one, he had always been able to count on her wise counsel, wise advice. So counsel is a noun in this sentence also. Third one, my advisors counseled me to do nothing. So counseled means they advised. So it is a verb in this sentence. Fourth one, the Prime Minister was right to counsel caution about military intervention. So he has a right to take military intervention. So counsel is a verb. So counsel can be a noun, adjective. It's a group of body or group of directors. Whereas counsel can be noun and verb. It means a piece of advice as a noun, whereas give or take advice as a verb.